Hello everybody and welcome back. I have the door skin panel that's all been put into place. We showed you on the previous video that it's all lined up. I did say that I was going to show you how to get rid of these low spots that are on the outside of the skin from hammering the edge in. So I've run the file over it, the metal file, and you can see we have a low spot there, a low spot there, little low spot there. So this is the technique that I got taught many years ago. Where the low spot is, we've got the domed hammer. It's got a dome face on it. And all we do is, where the low spot is on the edge of the skin, you put your finger on the low spot, you can actually feel it rise up as you tap it. And you just tap the edge of the door skin. Firmly. You can't really damage the edge of the door skin. And now I'll run the file over that again and we'll just see if we've made any difference whatsoever. So you can see in that action it's disappeared on the top edge a little bit, so we're slowly getting a little bit of progress there. I'll give it another little tap now. See, it's pretty much got rid of the dent. There's a couple little marks there, but the minute deflection that's in that is only thousandths of an inch. Once this gets sanded and prepped for a high build primer and gets blocked, those little small imperfections will disappear. So that's what I just wanted to show you. I'll do another one. We'll look at this bigger one here, and it'll give you probably more of an indication through the camera as to what's happening. So we've got the low spot all the way along that edge, so I'm going to tap it all the way along the length of that edge, and when you're tapping it you'll be able to hold your hand on it and you can actually feel it raising up. Run the file over it and see if we can get rid of a percentage of that black low spot. So with just that action we've got rid of the vast majority of that dent, and as again I can say there that that's a very light, shallow imperfection there, and the fillers will actually fill that. The other thing is too, when you run over the top of this with the sander, it will actually help to get rid of a few of those as well, because the heat from the sander makes them raise up a little bit. Yeah, I'll do this other big one too so we can get a result there just to show you how it works. And you know, you be patient with it, and the more you do of this, the less filler has to go in this strip. It's going to need a little bit of filler in these corners because there's quite a sharp dent there, and a little bit of filler in that corner because it's quite a sharp dent as well. Alright, let's give this one a tap, see how it goes. With a file over the top of that. You can see we're just using a steel flat body file. So I'll give that another tap. It's got the majority of it. being a little bit stubborn, that one. But anyway, you can see that you're going to make quite a difference to it. This long flat edge is a good indicator that you do get these imperfections when you use the dolly and the hammer. I don't know how it goes with those pneumatic machines, they probably make it a bit cleaner job. But anyway, we're playing in the backyard. That's the way I got taught to do it 45, 50 years ago, and it still works. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.